Good day, ma'am and sir. I am Eleanor Salveta, the kin, 43 years old, and I am from Philippines. I am widowed with two kids, ages 19 and 16, and I am a high school graduate. I have work experience before as a domestic helper or nanny in Dammam, Saudi Arabia for 2 years from June 2021 to June 2023 with the six members of the family, a couple, and the four kids ages 8, 7, 3, and the newborn baby. My main duties and responsibilities there are cleaning, washing, ironing, and taking care of the babies, especially for the newborn baby. I will make her milk, change her diaper, her clothes, and I will make her sleep. Also, I work in Qatar for 2 years from October 2023 to December 2025 in a Lebanese family with the four members, a couple, and the two kids ages 16 and 9. My duties and responsibilities there are cleaning, washing, ironing, preparing the foods and lunchbox of the kids for school, preparing their clothes, their shoes, and also I will assist the 9-year-old girl for her clothes, her shoes, and her hair for school. Also, I will go with her in her sports activities like dancing and gymnastics. And sometimes I will do car washing. So, mom and sir, if you had given me a chance to work with you, I promise to do all my best and I'm willing to learn more because I am trustworthy, flexible, and a hardworking woman. And most of all, I will love and take good care of your kids as my own too. That's all. Thank you and God bless.